Hi, I'm Tom Schultz here at the ADI Icron booth here at InfoComm 2025. We've got two exciting new products here to show. The first one is our third generation USB 3 extender. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with our really big old USB 3 extenders that are based on FPGA-based technology. We have new ASIC-based extenders. Showing off here. So we got our USB 3 extender TX, or LEX as we call it, going up to 100 meters over Cat5e, which is unique to our remote here. And the launch the camera. Really good for like extending cameras around the conference room or a variety of other applications. Cool thing about this is that there's no USB hubs either, so it's totally hubless, really easy to install. Moving on to our next new product. So we have our first foray into the video market. So we have a true Type-C extender that does USB 3, but also 4K 60, 444 at the same time across a single cable up to 100 meters. This is great for any kind of Type-C connectivity, especially your all-in-ones, your new like rally boards. Those things all come with Type-C connectivity now. This will get you that extension not only past that 1 meter mark, but up to 100 meters over standard terminatable cable. I'm also showing a really cool tech demo where I'm actually pushing it through an unmanaged 10 gigabit per second switch. We'll have products later in the year that go over a network and do some really cool AV over IP things. And that's it. That's what's new at Icron this year. For more information, you can visit us at our website at www.icron.com.